Igbo mythology and folklore. The origin of death, version 3. How death came into the world. Long ago, in the time when the earth was still young, there was no death. The people of the land lived forever, and as new children were born, the world only became more vibrant and full of joy. The rivers flowed ceaselessly, the forests were lush, and the laughter echoed through the hills. But the balance of the world was so delicate. The gods watched over it with care. One day, Austin Okeke, the supreme creator, looked down upon the earth and saw that it was growing too crowded. There were too many people, and the land could no longer provide for them all. So, Chukwu decided to send a message to mankind that as long as children continue to be born, the old must make way by departing into the spirit world. To deliver this message, Chukwu called upon Goat, a trusted messenger.
Goat, take this message to the humans,
Chukwu said.
Tell them that as long as they bring forth children, they will live forever. There will be no death.
Goat bowed his head. Yes, Great One, I will deliver your message without fail. But as Goat made his way down to the world of men, he saw lush green fields full of fresh, juicy grass. He thought, surely there is no harm in stopping for a quick bite before I continue my journey. One bite became two became three, and soon Goat had wandered far from the path, stopping to graze at every turn. Along the way, he met some of his animal friends and spent time chatting, completely forgetting the divine task he had been given. Chukwu waited patiently, but when Goat did not return, Chukwu became displeased. So, Chukwu summoned Dog and Tortoise. Nkita, dog. Mbe, tortoise. Chukwu said,
I gave Goat a message for mankind, but he has failed me. I now send you both. Hurry and deliver this message. There will be no death as long as there is procreation.
Dog, proud of his speed, laughed and said, I will reach the humans first and deliver the message before Mbe even leaves this place. Tortoise, slow but wise, simply nodded and began his journey. As Dog ran, his keen nose picked up a foul but irresistible scent. It was the scent of something rotten, something he loved to eat. He could not resist. There's still time, he thought. I will just have a quick bite. As he was eating, Tortoise, who had been watching Dog, saw his weakness and came up with a plan. Each time Dog remembered his mission and tried to hurry forward, Tortoise would secretly defecate along the path. The smell distracted Dog, pulling him back to his bad habit. Over and over again, Dog delayed himself while Tortoise, slow but steady, kept crawling forward. After many days, Tortoise finally reached the world of humans, but he was so exhausted and excited from his unexpected victory that he delivered the wrong message. Instead of telling the people that they would live forever, Tortoise proclaimed, The gods have sent me to tell you that from today onward, you will all begin to die. A great cry arose among the people, for they had never known death. Before anyone could question Tortoise, the first man fell to the ground and took his last breath. By the time Dog finally remembered his mission and rushed to the human world, it was too late. He arrived only to find humans wailing, mourning their loved ones. He ran back to the heavens to beg Chukwu Okeke for forgiveness, but the Supreme Being shook their head.
The word has been spoken,
Chukwu said.
What has been declared in the land of men cannot be undone. From now on, mankind shall know death.
And so it was that death came into the world, not by the will of the gods, but by the mistake of an impatient tortoise and the foolishness of a distracted dog. Even today, Dog still runs into villages, sniffing and searching. Some say he is looking for the message he lost, hoping to correct his mistakes. Others say that is why he howls at night, mourning the error that brought death upon the world. As for Tortoise, he remains slow and cunning, always looking for ways to turn situations in his favor. And goat? Goat still wanders the earth, eating and eating, forever oblivious to the great task he once failed. The end. Moral of the story. Number 1. A message delayed is a message denied. Procrastination can lead to disaster. Number 2. Overconfidence can be a downfall. Dog thought that he had all the time in the world but lost sight of his mission. Number 3. Steady and wise progress is good, but carelessness can turn victory into disaster. Tortoise reached his goal, but his excitement ruined everything. Number 4. What has been spoken and accepted by the people cannot be undone. Words have power, and once declared, they shape reality. What other lessons come to mind from this story? Let us know in the comment section below. Yagazie.